Welcome to my channel. Today the topic is what is the use of ncert books and solutions. Now we will open the ncert books and solutions app. See friends, here is the ncert books and ncert books in English medium and ncert books in Hindi medium. Here is the ncert solutions. See friends, here is the ncert books and in English medium, here the ncert books in Hindi medium. Here ncert solutions and ncert notes, ncert videos and CBSE papers. Now we will go to the ncert books. Now I am in class 7th. I am taking class 7th. Now we can see it's a bus. The books were opened. Now we can see which subject: maths, social, science, English, Sanskrit, social studies, Hindi. Now we will go to the science lesson. Now here's the science class 6th textbook and science exemplar book. Now we will go to the science class 7th book. Now here is the plan. Is the lesson names. Here is the lesson names. One is unit 1 nutrition plans. Now we will download this. At first we want to download and we have to open this. See friends, here the textbook is opened. The lesson first name is nutrition in plants. Here this lesson is open. Now we can come back and see another. Now we will see. Okay friends, now we will see the ncert solutions for. Now we can see here I am class 7th. I am selecting is a class 7 solutions. Now is the mathematics, science, is English, social studies, Sanskrit, Hindi solutions. Now you can go for English solution. Go for science solution because we have selected science. Now we will open 7th class science lesson notes and ncert solutions. First lesson we will download this PDF and open this PDF. See friends, the PDF is opened and the solutions also are opened. Can you see here's the ncert solution for class 7 science chapter 2. The lesson name is nutrition in animals class 7th. Here can you see this is the solutions for class 7th lesson 2 nutrition in animals. Now we can go back. Now come back and now go to the ncert notes. Now we will go to the ncert notes. We are in class 7th, so we are going to ncert notes. Here is the civics, geography, history, maths, science. Now we are going to the science subject. Now nutrition in plants. Download these. Now see friends, it is downloaded. We will open this. Now it is the lesson is opened. Can you see the ncert notes? Here is the ncert notes of class 7th lesson nutrition in plants. Now we will come back and we will go to the videos, ncert videos. Now we will go see we want 7th class. See here the video conference of class 7th, 8th, 9th, 6th, 9th, all lessons. You want G, NEET and class 12th, 11th videos also is available. Now you will see the CBSE papers. See friends, here's the CBSE papers of board and solved papers also of class 12th, 10th, 12th, 11th, 10th, 9th and 8th, 7th, 6th also is there. 6th also available here. Now we'll come back. So friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will upload like this more videos to you. It's very useful for students, for class, for solutions and ncert books. Okay friends, please download it on Google Play. It is available on Google Play. I will give the link on this description. Please download this app, it will help you more.